Hi, my name is Sammy, and I'm a current senior at Medina County Career Center, and my home school is Medina High School, and this is the Digital Design program. Now, if you're a student who's very much into art and creativity and even digital art especially, then this is the place for you. You can get even certifications for this, such as Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Photoshop. So over here, we do the basic stuff first before we go into the digital art. We do still life, like pumpkins over here, and we learn how to do the color wheel scheme and learn how to, like, the contrast of each color. And typography is very crucial and significant in this program. And we learn what different types of typography we can use. So one of the most important things that we do in this program is packaging. As you can see, one of our bigger projects was card designs, and that was a very fun project. And we learned how to fold correctly and make it look all precise and pretty for the client. But then into our senior year, we get more competitive with our classmates of how, like for example, doing the yearbook. Yearbook's one of the competitions we do. And in fact, I was the winner of the 2022-2023 yearbook. And we do things like seals for different villages and townships. This is my classmate Jack's seal for Spencer. So over here, many of my classmates over here are doing thumbnails and critiquing each other and brainstorming for their finalized products. And with the finalized product of what they want to do and ideas is over here when they are drawing and coloring with that. And then when you have your idea of what you want to do with your finalized art, you go over here and scan it and start digitalizing it. And over here, this is our cutting station. With our finalized art, we cut our projects to make it precise and look presentable for our clients. And this is where the magic begins. So over here, this is where we do all of our digital stuff and our artwork and our classwork. This is where we stay for the majority of our classroom. Oh, and I have my friend Jack, and he'll describe a little bit of Photoshop.
I'm Jack. I'm from Highland High School, and I've been using Photoshop as well as Illustrator to do different projects for our class. We use Photoshop more so in the second half of the creative process, where after we have our illustrations digitized into Illustrator, what we'll do is we can sometimes use Photoshop to take images and blend them together with our illustrations. We also will use our Wacom tablets for certain projects, and those can be very useful for all sorts of digital art. There are also other opportunities through this program where you can end up with a good lead to having internships and stuff like that.
Thanks, Jack.
Yep.
So one of the students' biggest concern is that they won't participate in their homeschool and they won't participate in their extracurricular. But here, my friend Amy will talk a little bit more about that and how that's not a problem.
Yeah, so what I'm doing is, well, first, my name is Amy. I am a Cloverleaf senior, and I am in drama and in bowling. So I am actually making a poster. One of my drama directors told me that I should make a poster since I'm in digital. And I'm doing Donna and the Dynamos poster for Mamma Mia, that is the play. And I also do bowling as well. We won the MAC tournament and now we're going to districts, which I think is really cool. Balancing it out is really, really easy.
And now we have various students that are pursuing digital design and graphic arts into the future, such as my classmate Elena.
Hi, I'm Elena. I go to Medina High School, and I've actually been accepted to a couple colleges. First one was Kent University, and then SCAD, Savannah College of Art and Design, which is one of the top universities in the nation for graphic arts. And I would like to get a degree in that so I can work in animation in some way, like with character design or in any way possible. And with this program, this has helped me with the knowledge and preparation towards my future.
And as you can see that you can get many internships and pursue your education with digital design. I plan on going into graphic arts after in Lander University in South Carolina. That pretty much sums it up. Thank you for joining us for our digital design tour, and I hope to see you next year.